My father started Torq Lite in 1981, determined to design the best hydraulic torque wrenches on the market. From the start, he knew we had the innovative know-how and expertise necessary to answer the unmet needs, and that's precisely what we've done for over 40 years. Torq Lite is a family-owned and operated one-stop bolting solution provider focused on manufacturing superior hydraulic torque wrenches and supplying ancillary equipment. We offer everything required to tackle the most demanding bolting challenges.
We've earned a reputation as a trusted innovator in the energy, industrial, and construction industries. One example, in 2010, Torq Lite was one of the first companies contacted to help during the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. We immediately rolled up our sleeves and got to work.
Our quality hydraulic torque wrench line is one of the most comprehensive worldwide. We also offer all forms of controlled bolting equipment and ancillary items, including pneumatic, electric, and battery-powered multipliers, tensioners and customized tensioning systems, flange tooling, and a variety of pumps to run all of it. If it's bolted together, we have a tool for it. We are determined to develop new or better ways to help our customers be more efficient and safer. We are always looking for opportunities to innovate. We've been issued over 20 patents in each of the last 5 decades. We're resolute in improving our existing products and developing new, revolutionary tools. The quality of our products is second to none because we design and fabricate all of our hydraulic wrenches in the USA at our plant. As an ISO 9001 registered company, we're committed to unwavering quality assurance from start to finish in the manufacturing process. Torq Lite is the innovative hydraulic torque wrench manufacturer and full bolting solution provider committed to conquering the world's toughest bolting challenges.